Hey guys, so welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to kick someone in Messenger group. So guys, if you ever wondered on how to do that, first is of course go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now over here, just simply go ahead and go to one of your groups that you have. So go ahead and tap on it. Now here on your group, to see the list of members, you will just simply go to the top of the name of your group. Now, over here, you should be able to see if we scroll down below, see chat members. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, from here, guys, you should be able to see the list of all the members that you have. And now, in order for you to remove someone, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the person that you want to remove. And now, from here, guys, you will have an option down below, remove from group chat. And now, from here, once you tap on that, they will be removed into the group chat. As you can see down below, you have removed John Savvy from the group chat, and after that, they won't be able to have this group chat anymore into their device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.